literally feel like I'm just like... I'm allowed to film in here, but we're in H&M and I just found some really cute things and I'm super excited. Great start for the day. Lots of pink, of course, but I like these little sail things, like the anchors. I'm obsessed with that, so I hope you guys enjoy the stay with me. Okay, Amanda and I are in Forever 21 and we're pretty much overwhelmed because this place is massive. And this is like the first story. There's like, is there 2 stories? Yeah, there's 2 stories. There's 2 stories, so... And look what she's already made me do, guys. No. I literally feel like I'm just like in this store. Like I don't know what to do. It's a magical land, guys. It's just so many pretty things to look at. I don't know what to do. So after probably 2 hours in Forever 21, we finally made our way to Charlotte Russe. What do you guys think? Do you think we should get it? Yeah. Sides right here, like it's really, I don't know. Guys, you'll never believe who I just ran into. It's Grumpy Cat. How awesome is this toy? You can actually buy a Grumpy Cat. I think he's so cute. Alright, so Amanda and I have done our damage and we're letting our stomachs lead the way because we're both really hungry. But look at this. She's the one that wanted to go shopping and look at my bag and look at hers.
I have 4 though.
She does have 4. I was emotionally shopping. I was like, just give me it all. Make me feel better. So, we don't know where we're going right now. We're going to Red Robin's. Red Robin's?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our food at Red Robin's and it looks amazing. Yes, I got fries. Don't judge me. I've been doing really good this week and I deserve these fries. Amanda got a wrap.
Who's judging you?
Are you judging me? Oh, rude. Rude. So Amanda got wraps and she got her freaking 10 calorie, under 10 calorie drink.
Don't judge me.
So I'm gonna be a pig and I'm gonna eat these with my Coke. My first Coke in like a long time.